Hola, buddy. That looks really uncomfortable.
It does. Hey, buddy. He's just sunbathing. Looks like Buddy wants belly rubs now. Hey, buddy. Look at that relaxed face.
It's like
Alright, Buddy's gonna smile.
Yell at us. It was really funny because I was walking by. I was dying.
This is how dogs rest, I guess.
He's a rusty.
Kind of scary, man.
He's a rusty boy.
So we always make name tags out of these, and there's so much sawdust. Oh wow, look at this one. This is dangerous to children.
Yeah.
We're gonna look for 4-leaf clovers. One morning last year, in about 10 minutes, Ella found 6. Just look at Buddy over there, just chillaxing. We've determined that we won't find any because it's Monday, and Monday is unlucky. Yep. Now we're taking some kids to the restroom so I can vlog, but there was a goat and bunny, which was cool. Buddy's just chilling. Buddy was in the barn. There's Blue. Oh wait, no, that's Misty.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No,
There are little stripes on the side. That's his Misty. So this is Misty. We didn't really see her because she likes hanging out in the woods. Misty.
What's up?
There are these things just hanging around and they're very annoying.
Hey!
We're heading out to the pastures, but first I want to see Buddy one more time. Bye, Buddy. Alright, I got a backpack so that other people can carry children on their backs, but I don't want to do that. Alright, backpacking across the plains.
I don't play.
Alright, we're out in this pasture looking for cows. Still got the backpack. Alright, the cows are in the distance, but the fence is electric, so we're turning around. We're at the pond. There's this cool seating area. Ella unzipped all the pockets. It's very sad.
He's a big old jumper.
Dude, Jake Paul, I thought you were in Japan.
No, he's banned.
Here, watch this. Don't hold his leg. Don't hold his leg. It's gonna jump.
He's a small.
Yeah, but you're hurting his leg.
It's all good.
Can I touch it? I found a frog.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Could be the American
If
Nudge.
there's one, I bet it's up to yes.
Try to get it on here.
Photo op. We got a baby American toad. Pretty cool.
Mama
It's
toad.
I have.
Whoa, in the bird. These plants are soft.
Oh, these are called.
Wow. Okay, I found another toad. It's in my hand. It's trying to jump out. Here, I'm gonna let it go. So you can take one last look at it.
Where'd it go?
Oh no, it's very jumpy. Alright, we have 20 minutes until lunch. My days as a pack mule are coming to an end. There's a cat under here. Eating grass. Hi, Misty. She's hugging flowers. Next to the building, there's a nice little area with flowers. So we're playing sharks and minnows, but Ella and I have opted to be the boundary because they can't go past this driveway. Keep doing what you're doing. I feel so useful. We are people monuments. Wow. Such cool. Alright, we have switched over to sitting on the rocks because standing is just too much work. I can feel myself baking in the sun. Just a little overview of the front lawn. Pretty cool. I got bored of sitting on a rock. I'm gonna try to find a cat. Oh no, there's no cat. It looks like I have failed. Whoa, there are these cool flowers in the greenhouse. It's tree time. Aha, 'tis lunchtime. Alright, we're gonna eat in the memorial garden. It looks like Misty has infiltrated our lunch. She's begging for cheese. Hello.
I'll give you cheese. Come here. Hi, gamer.
Misty was
I prefer
nuzzling
when
the
I talk
plants.
to, but you know, Mother Nature for our little one.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Those are that you
She's
wrap
gonna
in
start
trees.
vomiting.
So depressing.
Misty keeps just pacing through it.
She's putting her attack on my
Waiting.
cheese.
She's attacking.
Like how
Plants. Aha, has she admitted defeat? Hi, Misty. We're gonna stalk Misty. Hey, Misty. I think she's stalking something. Look at that tail. I can't even see your face. Oh, there it is. Okay, just look at how much fur. All I'm gonna do is this, and then look at her fur. Hi, Misty.
I saw just a big giant white plane with a.
Wow, this is content.
I always remember what he was because he was the color.
Hello.
Wait, it's an apple slice.
Yeah, you can have it.
The ants. Oh, you're doing the sign language. The animals.
Keeps nuzzling this plant.
It's a animal squeezable.
Hello. Taking a bath now, I guess. This is such content.
No, right?
Cat almost drowns in self-bath.
Marvel, stop being the jello. I'm gonna throw another apple at you. I will pelt you an apple.
You know the oatmeal cream pie I had today? That was the last one.
I got a cookie,
Got
so
me
cool.
There he is.
Look at that neck. Completely turned
He
around.
used to have a giant sweet tooth. And he used to love honey buns. And every time we'd always buy like a giant box of honey buns, and they'd always be gone in a week. And so my mom was like,
They're good though.
look at this beat. And so my mom goes to my downstairs bathroom, goes to open the drawer.
Oh, that's the very
Hi,
minor
Misty.
ingredient.
Looks very happy.
Yeah, so
What the parents? I can't eat these.
Hello.
Shot.
Oh, time to nuzzle the plant again.
Jake Paul.
Now she's moved on to nuzzling benches. Alright, we got a carrot, a dropped carrot. Oh, will she eat it?
Gavin, look.
Nobody got that.
Come on.
It is wrong. It's wrong.
Hi, Misty.
That makes me. It's also like a full, like, shiny car.
She's drawn to the Colt statue.
No, cat hair. Like, picking up
No.
cat-
You have like a voice recorder thing where you can talk.
Oh, I don't want to walk 2 feet to talk to Michael.
This is such content.
Sorry, man. Don't-
She's the best cat.
Oh no, you can't take it out. It's really sad. Like, I wanted to like get the sword out.
Hello.
I've got a katana.
Watching the Amazing Spider-Man.
I have a katana and I have a wooden sword and I have some other one that I don't know what it is though.
Misty's walking, and there's some blackberries. Picks one. So cool. Hi, Misty. How was life? Misty's my favorite cat at the farm. Oh, look, she's coming to nuzzle the camera. Aww.
Why they're
There's
called
a little-
inchworm,
It
you
is
dumb-
now.
Inchworm
Mike,
caterpillar thingy.
No, it's because of the way they walk. They're
People
inchy.
call Mike.
Hi, Misty. I picked some more blackberries. There's some juice on my hand now. Looks pretty cool. Misty's sitting on a plant. It's so sad.
Pain. No, my elbow.
Hello.
What kind of force choke is?
Alright, we're heading back so we don't get discovered because it's kind of a secret spot.
I need to pet
Hi,
this.
Misty. Oh, are you coming with us? Or are you going back to the woods?